If you want to turn your Figma designs into developer-ready code without writing a single line yourself, this is the tool you've been looking for. Codium AI now integrates with Figma, but here's a twist. It only works through Visual Studio Code. That's right, it's not a native Figma plugin. You'll need VS Code to access this powerful Codium Figma workflow. Here's how you do it. Open Visual Studio Code and head to the Extensions tab. Now, search for Figma for VS Code and install it as a plugin. Now, this lets you access your Figma design directly from VS Code. Once installed, open the activity bar and click on the Figma icon. Log into your Figma account, and from the Files tab, you'll see your designs appear. Select the design you want to work with. Now, with your design open in VS Code, launch the Codium AI extension. This is where the magic begins. Ask Codium to generate layout suggestions, responsive versions, or even refactor your structure, all based on real UI or UX principles. You'll also get CSS and React code input and output ready for dev handoff. It bridges the gap between design and code without needing separate tools. And that's about it. That's how you use Codium AI in Figma through Visual Studio. If you want more tools like this, subscribe to How To Literally.